Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mamta Mehta and this is Mansi Oza, and today we are going to be doing a Hill Road fashion haul for you people. So recently we had visited Hill Road, which is also called as Elko Market, and we had did a little bit of shopping from there. So we had purchased some things from there which we are going to show you people today. So let's get into the video and let's see what things we have purchased. So the first clothing item which I purchased from Hill Road is this beautiful blue color top. I really love blue, so I had to purchase one. So this has beautiful ruffle detailing in the bottom, and it has a high-low pattern. So it looks really beautiful. You can see on the other side of the screen. And this I had purchased for 300 rupees in the size L. So the other piece of clothing again is a top. This is a beautiful red and white top, and this is so apt for office wear, and I really needed a top, very simple and a casual top on everyday basis. So this is the one which I purchased. It's in beautiful ochre yellow and red tones, and this again was 320 rupees, and this is in the size L again. So the top is incomplete without some accessories, so I purchased this beautiful 3 colored earrings which will go with the top. It has golden detailing and it is not too big and not too small too, and this will look very pretty with both the tops. And this I purchased for 100 rupees. So the last thing which I picked up from Hill Road were these chappals. These are bluish grey, and these are like the slip-on slide-on chappals which are very easy for every day, and it looks good with Indian and Western wear both. So I really like these. These were very inexpensive, and these are very soft material, so you can wear it on a daily basis too. I paid 300 for this. I think it was a tad bit expensive, but I like the color, so I just picked it up.
So this is my first shopping haul. So the first thing which I bought is this nice white color top. But not much found of a white color, but recent weather is tempting me to wear such color. In this material you can't just have one layer, they need to have 2 layers. So this top has 2 layers in it, so it doesn't look too transparent. So this is what I first bought, and this is very cheap. It is 100 bucks. Which I bought is a t-shirt, and this is the t-shirt. It's an oversized t-shirt in a light pink color, and it has H in between. I'm a big Harry Potter fan, so this reminded me of a duplicate Harry Potter sign, so that's why I picked it up. And I think you can see it also if you're a Harry Potter fan. And this, you can't imagine how cheap this is. Like, even if I wear it for 2-3 times, it's worth it, because this is just 100 bucks. Yes, this t-shirt cost only 100 bucks. To go with these 2 tops, I have bought a paper back pants. I think that's what they are called, and this is in a navy blue color. Material is very soft, semi-formal look, so it's very good for a casual evening or even for a office day work. So this is what I bought. I've never tried this. I was very curious to try this pant because I thought nice look for a semi-formal to formal event. So this is what it is. Cost for this pant is only 300 rupees. Yes. So if you're wearing pants for a semi-formal and formal, you obviously need heels, and that's what I bought. I am quite fond of heels, but only the block heels, so that's why I have these shoes. This is 2-inch block heels, and the cost of these shoes again very cheap. It is only 250 bucks. Since I was going for a formal look, I also bought very simple silver earrings. These are very simple, there's nothing much in it, and this looks very good for a semi-formal evening. To complete it, I have another neck piece, very simple yet elegant. This neck piece, which is again in a silver color, because since I was going for a formal look, I went with a very simple color. Now coming to the cost of both, this is 100 rupees and this is 50 rupees. Yes, quite cheap.
Hope you like this try on haul of things we purchased from Hill Road. Basically, whatever things we have purchased is included in our challenge video, which you all will find on Mansi's channel. So please go ahead and subscribe to her channel. Her channel name is Eat Travel Fun, and you will find all the things we did on Hill Road, how we bargained, how we purchased these things. And I don't want to give too much information because you all need to go and watch the video for all the details. So Mansi, anything what you want to add?
It's definitely very interesting. I love the challenge, and I definitely love the bargaining in the shopping. And this haul video I'm doing for the first time, so
Yes.
That is something different which I've never done, and it was very good. All the script is thanks to Mamta because she only told me what I needed to talk. so that was it. But it was very nice, very interesting,
Yeah.
and it's something
New.
Yes, which we tried. So yes, it was.
I hope you all like it.
Yeah. And don't forget to like, comment,
And subscribe to our channel, her channel and my channel also. And stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Till then, take care. Bye.